Everyone's heard of AI, but here's what most investors miss. The biggest returns won't come from the companies using AI, but from the ones building its future. From chip makers to platform giants, these 7 stocks are shaping a trillion-dollar revolution, one that's already happening in 2025. Let's break them down. Number 1, Microsoft, ticker MSFT. With nearly $14 billion invested in OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, Microsoft has integrated cutting-edge generative AI directly into products like Bing and Office. They've created Microsoft Copilot, a seamless AI assistant that helps users write, summarize, and generate content in real time. The best part? Microsoft isn't just experimenting, they're already seeing real returns. According to their latest internal study, every $1 spent on generative AI brings back $3.70 in value for customers. That kind of ROI isn't just impressive, it's game-changing. With a price target of $526 and shares recently closing around $462, many analysts see more room to run. But before we proceed, here's a quick one for you. If AI is changing the game, do you think tech giants will still rule the stock market 5 years from now? Or will a dark horse rise? Comment your thoughts below. Number 2, Amazon, ticker AMZN. Amazon has been embedding AI into its entire ecosystem, whether it's powering Alexa, refining product recommendations, or analyzing massive amounts of data through AWS. Amazon is quietly one of the most AI-integrated companies in the world. Their cloud platform, Amazon Web Services, now offers tools like automated code reviews and AI-driven analytics to millions of businesses. Plus, Amazon recently launched a feature called Interests. It uses AI to detect user preferences and recommend products before you even know you want them. And get this, these innovations are already boosting margins in AWS. With a 270 price target and shares closing near 206, Amazon is still considered a strong long-term AI bet. Number 3, Meta Platforms, ticker META. CEO Mark Zuckerberg recently made a bold move by open-sourcing Meta's Llama AI model to gain market share and drive innovation faster. And it's not just research. Meta has launched a standalone AI assistant built on Llama to compete with ChatGPT right inside your favorite apps. What's the strategy here? If more developers adopt Meta's tools, they strengthen their ecosystem, collect more data, and improve their AI faster. Analysts believe this could supercharge their ad business too. With a $725 price target and the stock around $671, the runway is still wide open. It's a bold strategy, releasing its Llama model to the public for free, but one that could reshape the competitive landscape. On the plus side, this could flood Meta's ecosystem with developers, creating a moat that's hard to beat. Plus, AI will turbocharge Meta's ad targeting, which already prints money. However, Meta's heavy investment in the metaverse and its pivot toward long-term AI dominance come with risks, especially if monetization lags. But Zuckerberg seems to be playing chess while others play checkers, and investors who stick around might be rewarded. Let's move to a lesser-known but mission-critical company, ASML, holding ticker ASML. This Dutch tech firm makes one of the most essential machines in the AI supply chain, the extreme ultraviolet lithography systems used to create advanced AI chips. In fact, ASML is the only company in the world making these machines. Their clients? Just the biggest chip makers on Earth, TSMC and Samsung. As demand for AI chips explodes, ASML's role becomes even more crucial. The US government even placed export controls to prevent China from accessing ASML's most advanced systems. That's how vital this company is to global tech. With a price target of $1,000 and shares around $746, analysts see strong upside as AI chip demand grows. The downside? It's a highly specialized business, meaning it's not as diversified as some others. And global tensions around semiconductor exports, especially to China, could shake things up. But for many, the upside outweighs the risk. ASML is the quiet kingmaker behind the AI chip boom. Number 5, Adobe, ticker ADBE. You probably know Adobe from Photoshop and Illustrator, but did you know they're now competing with OpenAI in AI image generation? Adobe's Firefly model is already integrated into their creative tools, letting users generate images, designs, and effects with just a few words. That's not all. Their AI engine, Sensei, powers personalization and analytics across Adobe Marketing Cloud. And a mobile version of Firefly is on the way. Adobe's rapid AI innovation makes it a top pick among creative professionals and businesses. With a price target of $600, and stock trading around $403, some see this as a discounted entry into one of the most dynamic players in generative AI. The stock also offers something rare in the AI world, a profitable, recurring revenue model. Still, competition from free or low-cost AI content generators could nibble at Adobe's market share. But with brand loyalty and enterprise adoption on its side, Adobe remains a strong contender in the creative tech space. Number 6. IBM, ticker IBM. IBM, a legacy tech name making a strong AI comeback. You might remember Watson, their AI supercomputer. Today, Watson has evolved into a suite of AI tools that help enterprises automate workflows, predict outcomes, and even manage compliance. In a major move, IBM and Ernst & Young teamed up to launch EY.ai, a solution that helps big firms automate tax reporting and data operations. IBM's focus on enterprise AI could make it a defensive yet powerful stock in this space. With a price target of $290 and the stock around $263, IBM offers exposure to AI without the hype. Number 7. Arista Network, ticker ANET. They make the high-speed switches and networking gear used in data centers where AI models are trained. As AI workloads grow, companies like Meta and Microsoft need faster data infrastructure, and that's where Arista steps in. Even though Nvidia recently introduced its own Ethernet switches, Arista still holds the top spot in AI-focused cloud networking. With a price target of $130 and shares around $90, Arista could quietly benefit from AI infrastructure growth. Pros? It's not trying to be the flashiest player. It's focusing on practical, profitable use cases. But let's be real, IBM doesn't always excite Wall Street the way big tech names do, and growth hasn't exactly been explosive. Still, if you want a more conservative play in the AI space, with less hype and more stability, IBM might be worth a second look. Looking at the table, Microsoft leads the charge with the largest market cap and strong earnings per share, not to mention a healthy 69% gross margin, showing just how efficiently it's turning revenue into profit. Amazon may lag on margin and EPS, but it dominates on revenue, a whopping $638 billion, proving its scale is still unmatched. Meta, surprisingly, boasts the highest gross margin at over 81% and an impressive EPS of $25.64, showing it's not just profitable, it's extremely efficient. ASML might look smaller in terms of revenue, but its 753 stock price and monopoly in chip-making tech speak volumes about its strategic value. Adobe stands out with the highest gross margin at nearly 88%, suggesting its creative software empire is still wildly profitable. Meanwhile, IBM offers the most generous dividend yield at 2.5%, giving more conservative investors something to smile about. And Arista? It's a lean, focused AI infrastructure play. Not the biggest on the block, but definitely one of the most critical behind the scenes. Bottom line, these aren't just AI stocks, they're giants carving the future of technology, each with their own strengths, risks, and potential. Whether you're after growth, efficiency, or strategic edge, there's a stock on this list with your name on it. One last thing before we go. If you had $10,000 to invest today, would you bet it all on AI stocks or play it safe with dividends? Let me know in the comments. And here are 5 hidden stocks quietly making investors rich. Click this video here.